He's just
Shoot! His time is done.
He's still alive? Is he suffering?
Oh no. Fishies
No,
don't
no.
suffer until they get in the frying
Did
pan.
those guys help you bring him in?
They actually fucking, the other thing was very nice of them. They brought him in. I fucking chased that fucker. What are you doing?
Oh, is he big?
Holy.
Holy crap!
How are we gonna get him?
Wow, man!
Laugh there, yeah.
Was he wrapped in his
He's only kidding.
That could